For today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to utilize the database from the library and how to do it paperlessly. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the file that has the document on it, the note sheets document. There's going to be a place for your 3 different topics, a place that you'll notice your source. This is where you'll actually put in the MLA citation, page numbers, and then the statistic. So our first topic is going to be health. So I'll type in health, and then what I'm going to look for now is 3 different sources that have 3 different statistics about health in America so that I can make an informed decision. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the school website. So I go to crc.org. I'm going to go to Council Rock North, click on library, then go to databases. Now there's a lot of databases to choose from. We're going to actually choose EBSCOhost. I'm going to click on EBSCOhost. And I'm going to do my master file, Premiere, and then click continue. Now I'm going to then type in terms that I used from establishing my first research. So I'm going to actually do life expectancy in the United States and see what comes up. So now I have here a number of different articles that are going to all be peer-reviewed and something that we can look at. So I'm going to see preparing for the 100-year life, trends over 4 decades in disability-free life expectancy, health and social conditions of the poorest versus the wealthiest counties. Let's take a look at that because that looks like maybe there's a discrepancy. So I'll click on that. And what I'm going to do is see if I can see numbers. I see right here there's 3,141 counties, each representing 2% of the counties. So this looks like it could possibly be a good article. So I'm going to go to the full text, which is the PDF. And now I'm going to take a look and see whether or not I can quickly see numbers. So it says here 2% of 63 counties in the United States with the lowest median household income can constitute the poorest state, followed by the next 2% of counties with the highest median household. Each state had 62 or 63 counties, so that doesn't really look like anything important. So now I'm going to move on and see if I can find some other statistics that I can use. All right, well, here I see a data table. And essentially what the data table suggests is, I actually have no idea. So this article is not working for me. I don't like this article at all because it's very, very confusing. So I'm going to go back to my original search and see what I can find. Oh, lagging life expectancy for Black men. So let's take a look at that. A public health imperative. So let's see if that has any statistics. Authors discuss how lower life expectancy of Black men. They compare the life expectancy of Black men to Black women and white men and discuss social determinants and risk factors. That actually looks pretty good. Let's see if we can find any data on it. All right, so it starts off here. I see a bunch of numbers mixed in here, and this actually looks pretty good to me. So now it's saying in 1900, so I'm starting right here. In 1900, the estimated life expectancy for white men was 46 years. Then it goes on to say by 2011, life expectancy for white men was 76 years. So that's a significant increase. However, for Black men, it's 72 years. For white women, it's 81 years. For Black women, it's 78 years. Both genders, the relative difference in life expectancy declined from a high. Okay, so this has actual statistics, and I actually like those statistics because I think I can spend some time analyzing them. So I'm going to do 2 things here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and I'm going to try to get the actual citation. And what you do is you click over here to the right. And what that does is it gives us a number of different options here. And I want to scroll down to MLA. So now I see the MLA here, and I'm going to actually copy this, copy it. Now I'm going to go back to my document, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste what I just copied. And now it is in a MLA format so that I can, I just have to change the coloring of the background. Let's make the text a different color, and then I'll be able to clearly see what I need to see. Okay, so good. So now here we have the things that we want to look at. So now I'm going to go back to the article. Okay, and I'm going to go back to what I saw. And now I'm going to actually copy and paste this entire paragraph. I copy it. I'm going to go to my document. I'm going to paste it. And I just need to go back and find out what my page number was. And right here is where my page number is. It's 1 of 4. So I go back and I type in 1 of 4. And then I save it. And now I'm good to go. And that you're going to do that multiple times until you find what you are looking for. Good luck.